Okay, so me and a couple of guys from the Chicagoland Broncos group recently went down to Badlands Off Road Park in Attica, Indiana. You see hear me downflating or airing down with a Morflate system I had with the 04 Runner. Quick confession, I did screw up the GoPro settings and it was going at high speed. I tried to slow it down, but it looks horrible when you do that. So you're going to see this in really fast speed. So I apologize for that. Just to be honest, when I go to off-roading with other people, I tend not to be focused on filming as much because I want to be courteous to those who are with me. So I don't necessarily would capture the best footage when I'm out with other people. I probably will go back down there at some point, more either by myself or maybe one other individual, to do some filming. Also, too, my rear locker does not work, as some of you on Instagram may follow me may know. It hasn't worked. They're ordering a new solenoid switch from Ford. They've had two in and neither one's worked, they were both damaged. So I'm still waiting on that. So I'm kind of limited in what I can do as far as rock crawling. But anyway, I thought I'd share this. It's a fun time.
There you go. You're on it. A little more. Just a little bit more. Not much. All right, that's good.
So I really want to thank Rob and Mateo for joining me today. If you're in the Chicagoland area or the Midwest area and want to join the Chicagoland Broncos Facebook group or do other rides and other meets, see Rob's two-door here with the 5-inch lift and 37s, a badass looking rig. But yeah, so we want to encourage people to join, spend some good quality time and outings here, and and around the Chicagoland area as far as adjacent areas, and maybe some traveling long distance as well. So anyway, hope you guys like and enjoy this. Like I said, I know it's very limited, but we'll have better stuff to come. I figured I'd share it anyway, so you guys can just get a glimpse of what we did. Hope you all like and subscribe. Please hit that alert button. Help us beat that YouTube algorithm and get 1,000 subscribers. And we'll see you later.